Hey, good morning there, everybody. Who do we got? Good morning. All right, let's just get our VWAPs going here. The banks are closed today, so I'm expecting us to have a little less volume on the day. There he is. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Pretty good, thanks. How are you?
All right. Feel a little better than I was yesterday, but
Yeah, sounds like Randy's sick today too. He's on prop firm match this morning.
we gotta all just stop making out with each other.
Right?
Long distance through a microphone.
Yeah.
So what'd your overnight analysis give you for this morning?
Well, I mean, obviously we have been selling off a bit overnight, but I don't know. I'm still bullish.
Yeah.
I'm still bullish.
Looking at ES right now. If it gets down around like 67.93, I'm just gonna buy as much of it as I possibly can and sit and wait.
Yeah. Makes sense. 68. Sorry, what did you say? 68.
67.83 or
Oh,
67.93.
67.93. Oh yeah, that's the bottom there of the sort of that pullback.
That was yesterday's low.
Yeah.
Yesterday's low was 67.93. The high was 68.65. So that's a nice 72-point range.
Yeah.
If my math is correct. Probably isn't. Gold's dropping. Wow.
Yeah, it was up pretty high yesterday. What do we have for
Yesterday's high.
news?
What's that?
I just wanted a quick look at news. It looks like we don't have any news.
Yeah,
China
yesterday's
with the U.S. stable global supply chain. Okay, sure. Go ahead. Sorry.
So yesterday's high was 41.23 on gold. The overnight high was 41.53. It's just coming back to the close of New York session right now. It's
Yeah.
41.31 and coming down towards that's nothing.
Yeah, it's just a pullback. I mean, it had a pretty good run last night, so.
Lean hogs was a one-way trade all day yesterday.
Was it? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The open and low were the same price at $80. High was 83.2, and it closed at 82.7, 82.6.
Pretty flat.
It was not a huge amount of movement, but it was enough to make a couple of bucks.
Yeah. If you go in with 10 minis.
What else are you going to go in with? It's lean hogs.
Totally.
I mean, one contract is what, 40 40,000 or 50,000. I think it's 40,000 pounds.
Okay, I got all my VWAPs set up and everything here. So I think we're ready to rock and roll. Sorry, I'm a little quiet here, just setting everything up over on this end. So
It's all right. I'm doing the same thing over here.
more so directed at the chat, but we don't got a whole lot today. We got 2 in X and 1 in Randy's channel and 2 in my channel. So anybody, 0 comments so far. So
yeah, and today is Veterans Day, so we're gonna have very little movement.
yeah,
I say that, but who the hell knows anymore? It's a bank holiday. Stock market's open. Futures market's open.
Yeah.
ES looks like it's bouncing up a little bit.
Yeah,
but we've only been open for 6 minutes, so
that's handy dandy.
So yeah, I mean, today might be a no trade Tuesday.
Yeah, we'll be patient here. Speaking of patient, though, I'm actually long on YM. I just got long on YM.
Good Lord, man.
Yeah, it's just
You're a freaking degenerate. Opening range hasn't even set.
It's looking so strong right now. I might even take profits pretty quick here. I'd put my stop up in profit, about $80 in profit. And
Yeah.
All right.
I'm looking at possibly getting a short on lean hogs at 82.5.
Down to 82.3. Are you really looking at lean hogs?
Yeah.
No, you're not, are you?
I am.
I want to see lean hogs.
Lean hogs right now is sitting at 82.8.
82.775. Yeah.
Oh, look at you.
Hilarious.
So watch, that's gonna turn out to be like my best asset to trade.
Right? Yeah. Just fired right up. And have you ever actually traded it before?
No.
So we have a vertical and horizontal stream going. I don't know if you can see that on StreamYard, but I don't know how it's gonna look for the viewers and whatnot. But
that will be great for anybody using a mobile device.
Yeah. I just don't know. Like, I don't know exactly know how it works. Does it stream it twice, or is it? I'm gonna go to my channel and see, because now they built it in that you can put it at both. So I wonder if there's 2 lives. Yeah, there's 2 lives. One is regular and one is vertical, I guess.
All right.
Although it says waiting for Market Butcher to go live.
I don't know, man. I got nothing for you.
Oh, maybe because I'm on the computer, it's not going to show the vertical stream. Interesting. Let me go.
I don't know. You're asking the wrong person to figure out anything technical like that.
I'm just talking out loud here. Let's see future. Yeah, it's not live for some reason though. I'm not sure what the deal is with that. Or I
Was it
wonder.
on like a 15 or 30-second delay?
No, it should. Well, I mean, I don't think so because it should be weird. I can't open. Hmm.
I don't know,
I
man.
mean,
I don't. I got
it's the
nothing
first
for
time
you.
I've used this, so I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Oh, we don't want to do that.
So what asset you looking at this morning?
MES
Other than YM.
or lean hogs. I was looking at ES until I switched over and just got so induced into lean hogs that I was almost long.
Let me know how that works out for you. I'm not loving any of the movement on ES today. This
No,
bank holiday stuff is just gonna ruin my trading day.
yeah, we've gone up and we then pulled back and then we went up and we pulled back and now we're heading down.
And we've had a 6-point range for the opening range so far.
So small. Yeah, no volume.
So
Well, I'm glad I made that W on YM. Then maybe we should be trading YM today.
maybe.
YM bounced up pretty nicely, and then now it's about halfway up of its current opening range, anyways.
Well, look at that.
Okay, so that's weird because yeah, I don't know. I'm not trying to get your advice on it, but I'm just like, for whatever reason, it's just like that stream is not putting anything out. Like on YouTube, it's just like a starting image with nobody there. So that's weird.
It's just a picture of your pretty face. No,
Yeah.
no audio, no nothing.
No, nothing. Yeah, no, nothing. Just the thumbnail. So, I didn't even know Randy wasn't coming, but morning guys, playing little Russell on short today. Russell, hey? Czar? What's that what's the ticker for
Wow.
Russell again? It's RTY, I think. Is that RTY is Russell?
I believe so.
Czar, I took a long on YM this morning already. I'm out of the trade. I put my stop in the profit, but I woke up at 4 a.m. I took a long on ES, and I got stopped out. I lost $30 on that trade while I was sleeping. I went back to sleep. I got up and oh, this looks like it's curling. So I went long and I put my stop just below value area high, and then we pulled down into value area high. If you look at that one wick at 5:30 a.m., wicked me out, and then went back up to my entry price. What a bugger!
So you woke up, opened up your computer,
Phone,
looked at ES or your phone, looked at ES, put a trade in,
yeah,
and then went back to sleep.
yeah, I did. It was one micro, and it was $30 a risk, and it had already curled, so it just looked like it was a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So I was like, okay, here we go. Let's give her a try. What are these guys doing on ASFX here? They're flat. So look at this price though. Hey, it's just doing nothing on ES.
Ain't doing shit.
Maybe we should look at crude oil today.
I don't.
Let's try. It's too slippery, I know, but like, let's try a crude oil trade.
Oof.
Crude oil's looking pretty strong right now. Actually, it's
Is
just
it
going
really?
up.
Great.
Yeah, going up and up and up.
I'll be right back.
All right. Zara, have you ever traded crude oil before? Do you know how the contracts work there? I'm curious just to like take along with one contract just to see what's happening there. Why I'm starting to look pretty bullish again here. There, right? Oh, this is a big contract on crude. Is there the micro crude? I don't want to take a big contract trade on crude if I'm going to take
Oh,
one.
come on. Use your
Micro
degenerate account and just full port that.
I could just take a trade. You know what? Let's go. I'm going to go back there and I'm going to take a trade on it, but I'm going to use that paper trading account just because I'm curious as to like what's one contract per tick. You know what I mean? I'm just curious. So since it is nothing going on, I'm just going to do it. Okay, let's get in here. Oh, it's going without me. There we go. Okay, I got my stop. 0.19 points down below. Oh, it's up $10 already. Oh, so it's like $10 per
tick.
per yeah, but there's 100 ticks per dollar. So it's $10 per. Wow. That's pretty pricey.
You say there's 100 ticks per dollar on oil?
Yeah. Like it's
I've never.
60.89, right? And 60.90, 60.91, $10 per move.
All right.
Some big money. You can buy a hog real fast.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a little too rich for my blood.
So we're up $20 now in this long. It's a little bit of a slow mover, but
I mean, if you can catch it with some momentum.
yeah. There was a nasty pullback that pulled back down to $60.54 and recovered back up to 70. So that would have been, you know, 16 points, $160 on this one wick. Up $30. It reminds me of gold, sort of, except for it has 100 ticks instead of 10 ticks, right?
Yeah.
All right, up $40, $50. Oh, damn! We should have traded this morning.
Today's just a day to screw around and see how much money we can lose.
Yeah,
Possibly make. It's a gambling day. Might switch over to my degenerate account because I'm not seeing anything that I want to trade today.
yeah. So far, we're just going sideways for the most part. Oh.
Actually tempted to take a long on gold if it gets down to like 41.20.
Oh, wow. We're looking pretty heavy at the moment. Seems like maybe gold's going to be the only one people are trading today with the way that these price actions happen in here. So I ended up taking a couple trades after you left the stream yesterday, and I actually gave back all my profit, and I was down 150 at the end of the day. Unfortunately, I took
But
trades on NQ, and it just chopped me out twice.
hey, at least you won an account on Arbucci's thing.
Yeah, yeah. I wonder if that's I should check back to that message there. That'll be my next DGen account. No,
Yeah, I
actually,
was listening and I was listening and had it playing in the background.
yeah, nice.
Heard that you did that and went, oh, nice. Good deal, good deal.
Yeah, I was like, that's sweet. Let me put up gold here on my middle chart. Crude. So Czar, have you actually traded crude before, or you just know it's a slow mover? Okay, so actually, yeah, I'm on the big crude, so that's why it's $10 per point. So it'd probably be $1 per point on the micro crude per decimal point. Austin is short.
And what, ES?
Yes, yeah. What am I trading here? Dino bone juice? Yeah, exactly. Hey, Lance. Yeah, this is a practice account. I was just curious about trading crude oil, so I got in on in a practice account just for curiosity because I've never taken a trade here before. So, but yeah, that's pretty accurate. Dino bone juice. It's a very limited supply of crude oil on the earth, right? From all those dinosaur bones.
Yeah, no YM trades for me either. Today is looking boring as hell.
Yeah. Canada's like, we got a bunch, but there's sand in it. Yeah. Canada doesn't want to take it out of the ground for some reason. Those snooty Frenchies on the East Coast think it's there's too much carbon involved with taking the carbon out of the ground. You got to pay for carbon credits and take money out of our food for carbon taxes. Oh, the tar sands, yeah. Okay, I'm going to close this trade so I can actually start focusing on
real trades.
on real trades. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Just curiosity. Caught the cat there. Let's get back to MES here. Oh, we're looking like we're getting a bounce right now. Pretty volatile right at that moment when it came back, though. Czar dabbled with it in the early days of trading oil with 6 contracts. Whew.
It's going in heavy.
On the micros or on the full size contracts, ours? kind of want to go short here on ES, but I'm going to be try to be a little patient here. We are above value area high, and typically when we are, we go higher because we're like already, you know. Randy Bobandi is on prop firm match today.
Randy's been all over the place.
Yeah, he's I don't know if I can say it on here, but SLUT is a stream.
Because nobody watching this knows how to spell.
Oh, yeah, true. Yeah. There we go. We're getting that bullish movement now. Took the New York pretty nicely there. Almost to the top of the range now. What time do we got here? 6:55. We can take a trade now. But it is going to be the first break of the range, so I'm not that
wait for it.
Big shot, Randy. Yeah. Let's look for a retest back to the New York if we get this nice closure up here at the top of the range. With the small movement to the small opening range there, I'm probably going to look at potentially sizing up a little bit if I do take a trade. Maybe I'll go with like 4 contracts rather than 2. Ooh, geez, look at that. O6C is Canadian dollar futures on Forex. Czar used to trade oil.
No, it's Czar. He was just doing 10 lots on crude oil.
So we got Zachar Bucci's mechanical model here, actually playing out pretty good on NQ, but we're pretty far above the entry area for the criteria, so gonna have to see a pullback here for me to get in long. Welcome to the chop shop.
Yeah. It's a mid-range NQ trade. It just bounced off the bottom to come up.
Yeah. I would think about doing it on ES, but like we're pretty much already touching midnight open on the ES, so it's not really going to work. I'm going to stick my market or limit order down there. If we can get a pullback.
Yeah, I'd be looking for a pullback back to VWAP. I mean, this is creeping up on opening range high right now, so.
Yeah. ES may end up breaking out. Yeah, it looks like it wants to break out. We're probably going to get a bit of a pullback at least here first, though. And that opening range break rejection like usual.
Yeah, here's the rejection. Now it's going to go down to the 9, pass through that, hit the 21 EMA and the VWAP because they're at the same level. And then it's going to flirt with that for about 45 minutes before it surprises the shit out of us and does what we don't expect it to do.
Yeah. Yeah, so I have a limit order set at 25.5, 95.50. May not get that far of a pullback, but what's YM doing here? I'm going to look back at YM. Ooh, YM popped pretty nice all the way back to the top of the range. It's pulling back similar to the other two right now, so looks like we got our pullback right to the 21, and then it's going higher. You're in a foul and pissy mood, so you're sitting on your hands. Yeah, I'd rather put a bet on Nick's prediction. What, the down at the very bottom of the, like, looking for a long at the bottom, you mean? Lance? Lance said he's in a foul and pissy mood, so he's sitting on his hands today. Nick. Good idea. I'll be right back. Coffee.
I mean, Lance, if you're in a foul and pissy mood and you're sitting on your hands, it may help you a little bit if while you're sitting on them, you do this. Just saying. You like that, Lance? That's what Dave does.
What's that?
That's why you can only see one of his hands in the stream. So when you're in a foul and pissy mood, sometimes the best thing to do to put yourself in a better mood when you're sitting on your hands is do this.
Oh, ouch.
Anytime, Lance.
Are we gonna get this? Might get this entry here. You're gonna just right to the bottom, right to the top of that fair value gap, inverted fair value gap, I should say. It's looking pretty heavy though. I'm gonna actually put my entry a little bit lower in this fair value gap now, since we kind of closed right on the New York there.
I am really getting irritated with today.
Yeah, we're not really getting a whole lot here. Oh, it's just right to 96. That was where I had my original entry, is at the bottom of that wick. It's pretty volatile there. I'm getting scared. I don't like the way the prices move. I'm taking that order out. I'm backing out of this trade. I just don't like how this candle's just bouncing back and forth like a maniac. Watch, it's gonna turn around and rip higher right now.
You're on the NQ?
Yeah.
I don't think this is ripping higher.
No.
No.
Well, then maybe it's a good idea that I took that order out. So
Looking at NQ, I think this is going to drop. Not drastically, but I do not think it's going to get up around 633 within the next 5 minutes. And there's your drop.
yeah, I almost took along with the one contract down there. Could be that high or low.
Yeah, right now I would not do that. But that's just me. I mean,
Yeah, no, I agree. It's
and
I'm gonna sit flat here.
I'm seeing either chop or a drop.
Yeah, it seems like chop to me. So why do we want to get in this? Did you take that short there, Czar, off the top? Because you said that was a street drop. Oh, look at that. That would have been a stop out. Anytime you second guess a trade, you close it. I get suspicious very easily. Part of my struggle. Yep. Oh, you did take that short? Austin's trade's looking real good right now.
He's in a short.
He's up $600 right now.
Nice.
on this trade.
Good deal.
Yeah, he's in a short. Yeah, glad I removed that order.
I wish I would have listened to myself on this one.
To what?
When I said I think it's gonna drop.
Oh,
I could
yeah.
have taken an easy 40 points off of that and just called it a day.
Yeah. Austin was I guess he had taken a loss before stream or something. And then now he's down $26 and he sold most of his position, but he still has about $100 open on this.
Coming back up into the lower day VWAP on the NQ. Is that right?
You put a low day view up on there? Gold is at value area high now.
Nope, it isn't hitting it. Wow.
Pulling back to value area high. Hey, James, good morning. You know, bank holiday, price is a little wonky currently. Could have just taken a pretty nice short there. But, that's all we got today.
Yeah, I'm just taking a short on NQ right now at 55.84.
Okay, yeah, I see that.
So there is. I'll leave this for a minute.
Czar said out on MNQ, looking to hold today. Not looking to hold today. Could be a choppy inside day. Yeah, low volume stuff might be a choppy.
With you on that one.
Inside day.
And I'm out.
Nice.
Cool.
So 14 points on that, hey?
Yep. Took my $250 per contract or per account.
Nice.
So I think I'm done for the day.
I mean,
that's all I got for today. Unless I see something real pretty. But Lance doesn't have his camera on, so.
Looks like we're kind of getting like a megaphone pattern today. Expansion of the chop. Haven't seen one of those in a while.
Yeah, I mean, how many months has it been just continuously going up with tiny little pullbacks?
Yeah.
You're looking at ES right now, right? Oh, shit.
MNQ.
Yeah.
NQ.
Look at ES from about 8 o'clock this morning on.
So 5 a.m. Or my time is 5 a.m.
Yeah. So I've got my computer set to New York time, so.
Yeah, it's been just chopping in this sideways range, hey?
But it's ridiculous going 68.50, 68.34. Now it's going to go back up to 68.50 and come back to 68.34.
Yeah. They swept the low there with that last wick of the candle.
And then came right back up.
Yeah.
It just can't pick a direction.
No. Algos are controlling it today. 100%.
Yeah, I think today they're just trying to take people's money. Collect as much as humanly possible. It is a zero-sum game after all.
Yeah. Well, I made my $70 on the YM trade.
Hey, you're green $70?
Well, actually, I'm green 50 because the 20 something that I lost in that middle of the night trade.
Yeah, if you're green $50 today, I'd be tempted to just call it a day and say that's a win.
Yeah, I got to work on the pickleball court deal. Did I tell you last time there that we're looking at opening a pickleball center?
Yeah, wasn't it the Chinese family that owns the warehouse you were looking at? Is like, oh, we're going to build one now.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I told them about it, and then they're like, yeah, we're thinking about doing it, but sort of like, oh, we figured we should give you the chance because we're super busy. So
I'd be burying somebody up to their neck in sand for that shit.
Yeah, that's pretty annoying, eh? So the problem is that it's got a wood floor because it's not like a warehouse. It's kind of like it's a big commercial building, but it used to be like a furniture store. And then so I can fit 5 courts in there, but the floor is wood, and you don't nobody plays pickleball on a wood floor. Like the ball just doesn't bounce that good. So you kind of I would have to put sort of like self-leveling compound on there.
Okay.
And then you got to get this really strong self-leveling compound because most self-leveling compounds just kind of like crush and crumble really easy. They're meant to be like under tile or under something, right?
Yeah, you use the stuff that you used before you put a laminate floor into a concrete floored warehouse or something like that.
Yeah, exactly. So I need to, from my research anyways, there's some like higher strength self-leveling stuff that you can actually walk on. But then there's the other consideration is like once you do like a coat over the entire wooden floor, which is like 10,000 square feet, how much is that going to weigh? And then is engineering, is that too heavy for the floor to hold with this current support system, right? So that's kind of like the point that I'm at right now. Yeah. And then there's because like I said, it was a furniture store, so they have like a lift from the basement to bring up furniture. So we gotta they gotta be okay with letting us tear out the lift. Hey, there's my dad. Good morning.
They're not going to be okay with that.
No? Yeah. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll have to ask them because without it, it doesn't make sense because then we basically lose one entire court. But the guy in the basement says they don't service the lift. So so maybe you wouldn't be surprised.
Typical shady landlord stuff, right?
Yeah. And there is a whole bunch of water damage upstairs too. Because they had a leaky roof. I guess it's fixed now. We had super, super heavy rain and there was no wet. I didn't see any water in there, so that's good. So at least I know that the roof is fixed now.
Yeah, I'm looking at NQ shorts now again.
Yeah.
And let's wait here for a second. And I'm short.
We have orders down at 25,500.
All right, I got 3 minis in on a short here.
Minis is in your DGen account?
No.
Whoa.
I just like this price action right now.
Yeah, it's looking heavy. Stalling out a little bit here.
All right.
Wow, that's a lot of volume there.
Not upset about this.
I took a short there on that little bit of a pullback. I was just waiting a second to see if we can get a bit of a pullback.
I'm back in it again with a short off of 59.6 or 569.25 with just 1 mini this time. And I'm adding to it.
I added to mine too.
Stop losses at 560.75. Add 1 more. Back up to 3 minis. Just gonna let this go for a minute and see if it continues to go in my favor.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to pull my stop into profit here. Stops to break even now.
Very good.
There we go. Almost at took the TP, $300 there. Nice. Beautiful trade.
All right.
Beautiful, beautiful. Happy with that one.
And I'm out.
Nice trade, sir.
All right. So that was my trade for the day, or my last trade for the day. I am
That's
up.
what you said last time.
What's that?
That's what you said on the first trade.
Yeah, when I saw this, I couldn't.
I know. It looks so good.
It's what I said before. It's my last one. Unless I see something real pretty. I saw something real pretty, and it wasn't even Lance. So that was definitely my last trade. I'm not giving back $1,600 per account.
Nice trade. I made $294 on that one. That was a beautiful trade. I went in
awesome. You were trading 3 micros, right?
Yeah, I added 3, 3, 3, so I was up to 9 by the end of that trade. So
yeah, you actually You outperformed me by 30% on that.
I guess because if you put in
If
3,
you were to, yep.
yeah. Yeah, because I had 3, 3, and 3. Yeah, so 9. So I had basically one contract for $300. So you still outperformed. Because 3
Wait, you
times
said you
3,
did 3 micros?
time
Oh no, you added 3
added.
onto that.
So I
Sorry.
added up to 9. Yeah, I started with 3. I added 3, and I added 3 more, so I was up at 9.
It doesn't make a damn bit of difference. We're both green on a bank holiday at 10:21 a.m.
That was a sniper trade, though, for sure.
That's all good. All
So the
right.
first one you stopped out break even.
No, I ended up making like $250 on that one.
Okay,
I had
on the
pulled
first.
my stop into profit.
Makes sense.
So
Yeah, I
anytime
wish I
I
did
add,
that on Lucid. Damn.
yeah, anytime I start adding to a trade, I've already I pull my stop immediately into profit.
Hmm. Yeah, I think our trades were pretty much almost identical there then on that, because like my entry was, first one was 63, then 57 and 51 were all my entries. And that megaphone style drawings kind of basically worked too.
Oh, I'm glad we pulled out of that.
Yeah, that would
Look
have
at
been
that NQ now.
it stopped us out there.
That would have been, yeah, bad.
Yeah, it's nice when it hits your TP, right, rather than your stop. Like that's
Yeah,
why that trade was good.
it's what we're always hoping for. Doesn't
Yeah.
always happen, but
350 on a bank holiday? Yeah, not bad, not bad. What did I end up losing yesterday? Let's see. I was down 166 by the end of the day yesterday. So not too bad. Not too bad. It's just I lost, the losses came out of my TPT account. So that guy's now down to 1,300 in profit. I think I was up at 1,600 in profit. So I lost like 150-ish twice on 2 trades on that. And then I was like, no more trades. Obviously not working right. This is a good day for this song. Wakey wakey.
Artlist.io.
I like your dancing. Good stuff.
This is our winning trades on the bank holiday dance music.
Yeah, right. I was about to go back to bed too.
Reimagined.
So Zach did that in traded his mechanical model, and he's still in that long.
Seriously?
Yeah, and his stop, he almost got stopped out on the pullback.
Artlist.io.
Oh, YM's ripping.
Licensing reimagined.
Right, YM's breaking out right now. ES must be looking a little bit better then. Yeah, ES is bouncing a lot better than
Bouncing a
NQ.
little bit.
Artlist.io.
You know what? Now that we have some volatility, I are out.
You're out?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm closing.
Good call.
Locking this one up.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock this account too. Not that I'm gonna trade
I'm
them.
locking this one up. Locking this one up.
Music
All right.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Wow, pretty heavy. Oh, YM still going higher, guys. Still ripping. I mean, I can't really go long on it though. Not the way that the other indices are looking right now. It's not really saying take YM long, guys.
Music licensing
Not saying that.
reimagined.
Yeah, you know what? I'll let somebody else deal with that problem.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's a bank holiday.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Well, let's see if gold can hit my 41.4. That was yesterday's bottom of the range, and it made it.
The gold.
Yep. Just hit the bottom of yesterday's range.
Wow. Yeah, it's fallen pretty hard, hey?
Artlist.io.
Could have been watching gold this morning. It's like
Woulda, coulda, shoulda.
it's like the cleanest one.
Yeah, definitely the cleanest one for shorts.
Yeah. Like it's actually been moving in one direction pretty much since the initial little pop, right?
Reimagined.
Yeah, it had that little pop. The opening range wasn't even set when it had that pop, so. $9.35 to $9.45.
Yeah. And then huge
Artlist.io.
huge
And then
sell-off.
it's just been under
Yeah,
all the way
under,
down.
under the 9 the whole time. Looks like IB just set right now. Initial balance set. IB high right there. IB low right there.
Music licensing reimagined.
These VWAPs are wrong.
Hate it when that happens.
I like have leftover VWAPs from previous days and stuff. Like it hasn't been updated in a while. We'll give that New York on there. I just got ES up right now on the chart. That's what I'm doing now here again. Sitting up at the top of that previous candle there. Looks like it wants to go higher though. Zach got edged again on his stop loss there. on his long position. Somehow
Arbucci or Boyajian?
Arbucci with Randy. So he did his mechanical model and he still he literally got edged twice now. Well, the first one was probably a couple points away, but this one was like one tick, probably, or 2 ticks or something.
And then it probably just launched up to his take profit, right?
Not yet, but it did bounce up.
But it will just to piss him off.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Looks like Randy's been flat today too.
Music licensing reimagined.
So you sent Randy the sickness after I sent it to you?
I must have.
Yeah.
You sent it to me. I sent it to Randy.
I can't believe how it's just going around, hey?
Yeah, it's just ridiculous.
Pretty much the whole world is sick right now. And it's not even cold where you are, so it's what the heck?
I know Randy, when I talked to him yesterday, he was walking around outside, so he's probably in a pair of shorts thinking he was still in Mexico.
Oh, it looks like Zach might get stopped out here. It's starting to pull back. They have a bearish SMT on NQ. NQ's looking more bearish than ES is. And he's probably going to get stopped out right here. Looks like it wants to take the low.
All right, Dave.
Yes, sir.
I'm getting the heck out of here.
Yep. Sounds good.
I am calling it a day. Everybody have a lovely Veterans Day. Lance, I got 2 thumbs up for you.
Oh, it's Ralph's birthday today.
Happy birthday.
I'll grab Ralph and I'll put him in the camera for you guys.
I want to see this Ralph.
Artlist.io.
This little guy. Happy birthday.
Oh,
It's my birthday.
Adorable.
It's my birthday. Yeah. Say hi, Ralph. He's like, why did you wake me up to put me in front of the camera?
Yeah, right.
Music licensing reimagined.
He does not care about this nonsense.
Yeah, he's like, what are you doing, man? I was sleeping. Yeah, he is a handsome SOB. You know, he turned 10 today. Oh, what happened here with the screen? Maximized the solo layout there.
Artlist.io.
Or did you do that?
Yeah, I did that when your dog was up there.
Oh, that's so nice. Appreciate that.
Wanted to be able to see that pretty little face of his.
This one here.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out which one it is. There we go. That's what we normally use.
Hey, come on, man. Get your shit together, all right?
Playing ping pong.
You've been playing too much pickleball.
Yeah. Can't
Play
blame me.
tennis like a real woman.
Pickleball, have you tried pickleball? You should. It's really fun. And it's supposed to add 10 years to your life. Well, any sport, any racket sport, playing sports. 5 to 10 years if you consistently play it over a long period of time.
Artlist.io.
Great. So is that including the hardest stroke that I have when I'm chasing a fucking ball across a tennis court?
Well, hopefully you don't have that and you just get a stronger heart from it. Oh wow, that's a milestone. No wonder he's unconcerned. You have a Chimex last 18 years. Wow. Yeah, French bulldogs are supposed to be 8 to 12 years, so he's kind of. And I don't know if you know, but he can't walk, right? So he's had surgery twice for spinal stuff. And after the first surgery, he could use his hind legs, but his hind feet were like really sensitive. So then I put these like little booties on him, and then he was able to walk around. But then 9 months after his first surgery, he like slipped a disc in his neck, and then had to get a second surgery because it was like pinching his spinal cord. And then obviously the pressure of the second surgery just did a little more damage to his spinal cord, and then he wasn't able to walk after that. So I gotta like carry him around everywhere and squeeze his bladder. You have to literally squeeze his bladder to pee because they don't have control. So yeah, but he's, as you can see, he's a happy guy. They don't know, they don't care. He just wants food and attention, right? Typical dog.
So Dave,
yeah.
Before I go,
Thank
you. So before I go, we were talking about heart health and pickleball. Yeah. I looked down, and I think I need new glasses, but I saw that Lance sent a message just as we were done saying that, and my glasses are a little dirty right now, so I just read Lance's message as, I had a climax that lasted 18 years.
Climax?
As we're talking about playing pickleball for heart health, and knowing that it's Lance sending that message, I'm sure that was just in there somewhere. But wow. I looked down and I had to do a double take. I was like, what the, Lance? No.
18-year climax.
Climax? Last 18 years, huh? All right.
Music licensing reimagined.
Good for you.
That's got to be our next shirt. It's going to be an 18-year. Yeah, I'm still cleaning up from that climax. That should be our next shirt. It can be like a big Randy B boner candles, like 18-year climax.
Yep, I think you're right. That's the next T-shirt. The Randy B 18-year. Thank you, Lance. Appreciate that.
Yeah, that was a good laugh. I guess we're all in better moods now today. After being,
I hope so,
foul and pissy moods, sitting on our thumbs.
18-year EMA.
Yeah, super smooth EMA. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, young man. Well,
I will see you tomorrow.
Sounds good. Thanks for hanging
on
out.
A not bank holiday.
Yeah,
enjoy,
and then
everybody.
You're gonna make $5,000 tomorrow.
I hope so. I'm hoping so. You're gonna make 20, so it'll work out well. All right, I'll see you in the morning.
Okay, thanks, yeah. What time do we got here? 7:40, eh? Sounds good, Lance. Have a good one. Take care, bro.
Artlist.io.
Do I want to give some money back here, guys? YM's looking so bullish right now, guys. It's the only one that's looking good.
Music licensing reimagined.
Can I get YM on here? I don't think I can. It's a different... just Bitcoin stuff. We gotta get different different data feed to get YM on there. So we got 18 viewers. We got 7, 12, 13 in X, and 4 between the YouTube channels. Pretty chill morning, bank holiday morning. Not a
Music
whole lot of
licensing
action today.
reimagined.
Kind of want to short YM just because how heavy everything else is looking. Feel like YM's going to be coming back down, but feeling like a certain reason isn't a good reason to do it, is it, guys? $25,550's got 8 orders on NQ,
Artlist.io.
and we got, looks like the draw on liquidity is lower on ES.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, getting some strength here. ES, YM, NQ, everything's popping a little bit right now.
Artlist.io.
Kind of almost want to take a long on ES, actually. ES is looking pretty.
Music licensing reimagined.
But, you know, technically we are looking still in this bearish.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
A short on the MYM there, guys.
Music
Oh, I should have done it.
licensing
Should have done it.
reimagined.
Oh well. We're down 40 points on YM since I was like, oh, maybe I should short the YM. Sitting at the top of the channel there. This is a bearish channel though, so we could just kind of be patient and wait for a breakout down the bottom half of this channel. Maybe this is actually the channel. Yeah, like that maybe. They did get out of it for a bit and then bounce back up in there. So
Music licensing reimagined.
almost getting this 50K back to break even. Need about $400 to get it back to the 50K point. Megaphone is showing the shorts. Are they just going to reject here and head lower? What do we got below on NQ? What would be our target? Would our target be the value area low,
Artlist.io.
which was basically the low of yesterday's New York session? We also have that gap that we haven't filled down there at 25,268.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm going to refill the coffee. I'll be right back.
Artlist.io.
Oh, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
We've got the slow grind on the subscribers, guys. We're up to 89 now. Hoping that for that one day we're just gonna pop and get a whole bunch. That would be nice.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see if we can break down. I'm still watching YM here, guys. YM's got a little bit, seems like it has a little more action right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, good morning. Bank holiday today, hey, Luke? Caught a couple pretty nice trades this morning. I took $70 out of YM first thing in the morning. That's what I'm watching right now is the Dow. And then ended up taking a short
Artlist.io.
not long ago. Closed in $300 on that one. So not bad, not bad. Do you take any trades yet this morning? Price action's a little choppy. We're not really doing a whole lot so far. Yeah, Veterans Day. Banks are closed. So market's open, but banks are closed. So we're a little, price action's not moving that much. We got NQ and ES are looking a little bearish. YM's pretty strong. So YM's kind of like holding up ES a bit. So NQ looking like probably going to go a bit lower here. You're $1,300 for the green. Nice. Yesterday I did 2 losses and 1 winner.
Artlist.io.
Or is that yesterday you won 1,300? Very good.
Music
So you cut
licensing
those
reimagined.
losers nice and then handled the winner the best, obviously. Good management then. Very nice.
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah, you can't trade because your funds aren't settled because of holiday. Hey, you know, today's not a bad day to take the day off anyways, right? Like, so far we're really not doing much. Kind of want to take a short here. Starting to look pretty heavy on the NQ. Feel like we have room down to at least 75, but this is such a key level, this 9,500, 25,500 level. A little bit risky here. Might just head a little bit below 500 and then buyers step in and hold it up. We do have, let's see, SPYs dropping. Yeah. So they took those orders at 25,500 there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
See if we can't get a little bounce here. Maybe try to take an entry at the 500s. Let's see what it's going to do.
Artlist.io.
There's just such a risky zone here with that 500 psychological level. Buyers could just be sitting there. We did take a bunch of orders there, but now I don't see anything on the book map below. So feeling like the draw is actually going to be back up at the 587 if we take a look at the orders up there. So it's kind of like, I'm not that, maybe this means I should be trying to take a long here at the 500s.
Music licensing reimagined.
But, can't seem to get any movement much below here.
Artlist.io.
Below New York, below the low a day VWAP.
Reimagined.
Making new lows. Just the only thing that's seeing that's not making me want to go short right now is that I don't see any orders below on the book. The book is looking pretty empty.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
If anyone's in the chat, they're doing a giveaway on prop firm match if you want to head over there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, this 500 level is pretty interesting level. What's our 15-minute looking like here? Looking pretty heavy on the 15 still.
Artlist.io.
4 minutes left on this candle. Just not that convinced yet. Not convinced. It's probably going to head lower here, but
Licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
see, not really getting any follow through on this price here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Let's see if we can't find a new song to put on here. You guys got any requests or types of song you want to hear? Let's see if we can find some like chill jazz or something. Let's go. Chill jazz
Music licensing reimagined.
and lo-fi. What do we got? What do we got? Got a new song out. I like it.
Artlist.io.
I think you guys are gonna like this one.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
What do you guys think? Little jazzy saxophone, lo-fi sort of music.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
See, good thing we didn't take that short down there at the 500s so far. I mean, it might still work out, but At 500 level. Are they going to take this low day VWAP here? Looks like it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Like saxophone elevator music.
Artlist.io.
Kind of liking this move here. See if we can't get in. Put our stop at the bottom of the candle here. See if we can get in a little bit of profit here. We'll put our stop in there. Might be too late though. Might be a little too late here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we're too late. We'll put our stop just below the high day VWAP here if it pulls back. Not risking a whole lot on it. I think it'd be like a $20 loser if it does. But not really liking this volatility rejection up there. Let's see. It's not over. If we get up above profit, we'll be aggressive here and make sure we put our stop in there to guarantee at least a break even. Yeah. Go. No. Come on, boys. Let's go. Pop it. There you go. Stops in there. Break even. See if we can't get a little more continuation here. Gonna add one right there. Stop, break even again. Oh, we're out. Okay. That was too bad. I thought it was gonna pop. Thought it was gonna pop there.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's interesting. So Zach uses ChatGPT to withdraw the names from the people who enter. That's interesting.
Artlist.io.
So I think I made like 50 cents on that trade, guys. I think I was up. I think I was up $6 before that trade in these accounts. Glad I was aggressive on the stop there, though.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Almond. Almond's gonna win. Amen. So is this the little bounce we're gonna get before we head lower here, guys? What's going on here? I'm just jiving to these this jazzy lofi tune. Just jiving tune.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
YM's looking like it wants to go higher, guys. What's the deal with that? What's the deal with that? What's going on with YM here, guys?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Donald Trump duck. Recommended halters. Hey, what's up there on Twitch?
Artlist.io.
Best viewers on streamboo.com. Inder 1.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of sitting flat here, guys.
Artlist.io.
Pretty choppy though, guys, no matter which indice you're looking at.
Music licensing.
What's gold doing now? Gold going lower still? Gold bounced a bit. Found support at 4,100. Back up to 4,116.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
popping. They're gonna take this high here on YM. Could try to grab a little momentum trade if we do start popping up here.
Artlist.io.
Try to see if we can get a little bit of continuation here. Don't reject YM. Come on, let's go. Looking for a small base hit here. 13 points to the upside. Let's actually go for 11 points on the upside so we can let's get that target. Come on, boys. Let's go.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh. Looking like they're not going to push it higher here on the YM.
Music licensing.
Rejected. Sweep the high and rejection. Only in with one contract, so we're not risking a whole lot. We're only down $5 at this point. It'll be like a $10 loser. We end up stopping out here. Kind of want to add to this actually. We added there. Let's target the top of this
Artlist.io.
little bit of a breakout there. Now if we get up above our price, we're going to put our stop up there like usual. Finding some resistance up there though. Might be getting stopped out here.
Music licensing.
Never know.
Reimagined.
Hop it. Hop it, YM. Come on. Print us a green candle here. Got lots of room to the top of this channel.
Artlist.io.
Here we go. Give it a couple more ticks here. I feel like if it's gonna, when it pops here, it's gonna pop at least a few points there.
Music licensing.
Getting a little bit of selling resistance up here though. Come on, boys, let's go. YM. Just a little rip. Trying to get this high day breakout here. Getting lots of selling pressure though up there.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I might be stopping us out here. Just with this lack of
Music licensing
continuation here.
reimagined.
Don't have a whole lot of room on the downside for us to, before we would get stopped out. 13 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, looking like it's gonna come back down on us, guys. Close this candle strong. Nice. That was a decent little closure though. There's a chance we could bounce here. Let's see it. Let's see it. Pop it.
Music licensing reimagined.
This is across my 6 accounts though, so I'm only looking for a small base hit. These guys. Here we go. We're gonna give it a little more. Come on, let's go. You got more than that. You got more than that, YM. Come on. 19 points. Keep going.
Artlist.io.
Worst case scenario, it comes back down. It might stop us though. It looks like it's gonna right now. Got a couple more points to go. Maybe I shouldn't have been greedy there. Should have just taken that. But I just felt like if it's gonna pop, it's gonna pop a bit, right? Come on, boys.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't stop me. Come on. Come on, YM. You can do it. There we go. Might drop my stop up here if we can pop up a bit again here. Just at least looks like it's gonna stop us out there. One more tick down. Here we go. We're out. Hey, nada. Looks like we lost 50 cents there on that trade. It's from the commissions.
Music licensing.
Oh, that's too bad.
reimagined. Artlist
Now it's gonna go.
IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Yes, finally starting to look like it's gonna go, possibly. We get some move higher here. We're trying to like take this New York VWAP.
Artlist IO.
Pretty flat top here.
Music licensing.
And YM is doing that move now, guys. Nope, not quite. I was a little early on putting the stop up in place there.
Artlist IO.
Ugh. I don't know about you guys. I'm a little tired. So what's up to the chat, everybody? We got
Music licensing
looks like
reimagined.
21 in X, and 1 in Randy's YouTube, and 2 in my YouTube. So good morning. Look at that. Yes, just going. And YM's going, guys. So I was just a little early. I was just a little early there. Damn.
Artlist IO.
You know the saying, if you're early, you're wrong. Oh, guys, what's going on here? This is what I was hoping for. And it came,
Music licensing reimagined.
but that's all good.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of rejected there a little bit on YM there at the top, sort of at the top of the channel. That makes sense like that, actually.
Artlist.io.
Yes, is just ripping though too. Hey guys. Damn, we missed that long. I like that flat top. I really should have taken it there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of at this high, all these wicks up here, so might get some resistance here. We'll have to see what happens when we get up to the IB high. If we take that with any kind of momentum, we might be going higher.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
No orders above. Let's keep an eye here on the IB high.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Bit of a rejection up here. 3 points, 3-point rejection there. We're gonna find support down here again at this previous consolidation zone. Or are they just gonna head straight back lower here? Whew. Nasty pullback, guys. Come on, let's get a W on the free account, the Blue Guardian. Oh, I was three names away. Nice try, nice try.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, that was a nice rip, but now they're just taking it all the way back down again. So failed IB high there. No real opportunity to enter though. 7 points down since that. Come on, let's get a W on another account. Nope. Tommy. Not even a chance for an entry, like no consolidation or rejection up here. We didn't even quite get to the IB high. So I wonder if they're going to even take the IB low. Barely took it on that one.
Artlist.io.
What time do we got here? We'll probably wrap up the stream here in about 3 minutes, guys. Not a whole lot going on today. Today's a good day to sort of get away from the charts early and take it easy. I am green on the day so far. You know, we got $295 in our top one futures straight to funded account. And I think I got, I took a small loss this morning on pre-market trade, and I recovered that back in my take profit trader account. So I'm up $50 there. And then these Lucid accounts, I'm up $6 in each account. 6 times 6, so $36. So 295 plus 320 plus 50, 370, about 370 on the day. And look at that, guys, we just rejected that. Exactly the opposite now. We're heading back lower. Keep an eye on this New York VWAP. If they decided to turn bullish again, this could be the bounce. Doesn't look like it wants to go any higher. It doesn't want to bounce anyways.
Music licensing reimagined.
Look at that, guys, heading all the way back down to the bottom. Super heavy.
Artlist.io.
Looking super heavy right now. Huh. They're trying to find some support here.
Music licensing
Trying to find some buyers there.
reimagined.
Trying to hold it. Oh, there we go. Heading lower. Look at that. Making some momentum here.
Artlist.io.
Down to IB low. Just like that, guys. Maybe they're going to head all the way to that gap now on the downside.
Music licensing reimagined.
Jabron.
Artlist.io.
Wow, had to step away. Yeah, right. Like, you see what happened there? We ended up taking the New York VWAP, flirted around with it a little bit, then ripped all the way up to IB high, and then pulled back all the way back down to IB low. Yeah, 11.24 drop. Yeah, crazy, hey? Now what are they gonna do? I mean, they're probably gonna head lower here still. That was just like shorts covering, right? People who shorted up in this area, they're like, oh, we better cover. But there's, you know, there might be a good chance we're gonna head back down again. Who knows? It's so choppy. We might just be stuck in between the IB high and low all day.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I added this new song, Luke. It's like jazz, lo-fi, instrumental. Kind of like it. Pretty chill. Sending good vibes out to you guys. I'll trade in. Hopefully you're green on the day.
Music
And
licensing
I think we're going to
reimagined.
wrap up the stream here, guys. Let's go into our banners here. Let's see here. Put it up there. Thanks for watching. See you next stream. We're going to be live tomorrow morning, 6:15 a.m. to 6:30, give or take. Got here a little bit late this morning, but it's all good. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out. Everyone who did come and hang out. Maybe a starter position on a short or a long. I probably won't take any more trades at this point. Like I said, I'm up 50-ish and top take profit trader. I'm up $6 in all 6 of my Lucid accounts
Artlist.io.
and 295 in my top 1 futures account there. So yeah, gonna wrap it up here. Thank you so much for everybody who did tune in. Anyone who liked the stream or put any comments in the chat, always much appreciated. Good to see you, Luke. Hopefully you have a good day, and we'll see you back tomorrow once your funds are back in action. You can trade again. So yeah, thanks so much, everybody. Peace out. Have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.